Good morning, my beautiful people of Nigeria and all over the world as well. Welcome back again to my channel and to my world. So, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Let's dive into this video. So, it's story time. I'm excited. You can see it all over my face. So, Hobby came back with two bicycles. One for our first daughter, which is Precious, and the second one is for Vanny Boy Giovanni, which is our last baby. Chidoto already had a bicycle, so Precious has been demanding for a bicycle for the longest time. But it happens that one the bicycle that has been coming from Atlanta, Georgia, because that's where all these things are from. So all the bicycles that have been coming from there were too small for her or too big for her, but something happened, so we got her exact size. So this hubby purchased this biscuit from her. This is Belvita biscuit, very nice and sweet. And this soap over here, this is the soap that we've been using for the past 2 years. But hold on, all these things are gifts from Bradike and Antingazi with the wife. Thank you so much for giving us all these things. I'm going to show you guys what we have here. So before we dive into the video, let's just unbox everything and bring it out. Then I'll show you guys one after the other. So I've already brought everything out. I've unboxed everything. Let's start with this. This is the milk. This one we've already opened the oat, so that's what we ate this morning with this milk, and it is awesome, very nice. These are chocolates from her. These children will just finish this whole thing within 2 days, but I will know how to give them one per day or two if depending on my mood. This biscuit, this is animal biscuit. I don't know if you can see it in animal shape. And this is Honest Kiss juice. It's a fruit juice. Yeah, it's very organic, as you can see. It's an organic juice. And this is CAPCUT. They're going to enjoy it. Okay? Yeah, they're going to enjoy it, as you can see. Let me check how many it is in a pack. This is a gift from her. Yeah, 10 in a pack. Thank you so much. I'm grateful. And these are Snickers. This is a chocolate. Yeah, very sweet with nuts. It has nuts inside. I think so. Yes, it does. It has nuts inside. This biscuit is everything. Belvita, very sweet. Jesus Christ! If you taste this biscuit, you will long for it each day. Very sweet. My daughter has been asking me since she woke up this morning, "Mommy, I want biscuit. I want biscuit," because she has tested it before and it's very nice. Let's talk about this juice. Do you see how small the can is? If it is here, they'll be giving you all those long things. Let me not talk so much, but this juice is very nice and organic. This is apple flavor, and this one is in this is grape flavor too. Me and hubby took this one yesterday while they are sleeping with this biscuit. Don't call us bad parents because we need it. We need this. If you know, you know. This is oats with almonds in it. It's two in a pack. Thank you so much. I can't stop saying thank you. I'm grateful. That's why I'm making this video. And this juice is nice. Let's talk about the packaging. You see how nice the packaging is. Very nice. Thank you so much. And this, I think this is crackers. This is biscuits. I don't know. I think it's biscuits, but this is very nice. Let's talk about the soap that everybody in my house has been using. This is Irish Spring. My kids have been using this soap as well. We've been using this soap for the past 2 years, and it is nice on our skin. As you guys can see, my skin is popping, their skin are popping too. So this is our secret. Thank you so much. I think I'll be ending this vlog here, this unboxing here. I'll show you guys the bicycle that my hubby got for the case. Thank you so much. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Your girl is full of action. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so that each time that I post new videos, you'll be the first to see it.